In the world of giant fireworks, anything over 400 kilograms is extremely rare. Few workshops can build one. China is famous for fireworks with massive production scale. The United States is another leader. Japan is known for tradition and for remarkable precision. Some of the heaviest shells were built in the United States. Japan built the 420-kilogram Yanshakudama. For years, it drew global attention. Later, new records were set. But this Japanese shell stayed legendary. From American fireworks towns to Japan's Niigata region, this craft is never casual. Today, we look inside one workshop. Behind these giant fireworks, the Yanshakudama is over 120 centimeters wide. It can climb hundreds of meters. Its burst can fill a huge sky. A shell this heavy should look impossible. But the result is graceful. The first stage begins in a controlled room. Material is prepared with care. Then it moves into a mixing machine. The small stars grow layer by layer. This can take weeks, sometimes even months. Every workshop has its own method. At first, the stars are very small. For giant shells, they grow larger. Before entering, workers touch a grounding panel to remove static. The stars dry under control. Some dry for up to 30 days. Workers check them again and again. A full month is normal here. Moisture control is critical, even with machines. Drying still takes many hours. So why so long? Because handmade fireworks depend on patience and control. That is real craftsmanship. The outer covering must be strong and resist moisture. It protects the shell before the show. Some shells get extra protection. And this is only the outside of a smaller shell. Then the camera pulls back. The scale becomes unbelievable. This is difficult work. A giant burst can be seen far away. Workers do not rush. Safety matters more than speed. Every step is controlled. Sections are arranged inside the shell. The lining is pulled tight and kept as even as possible. Fabric can wrinkle easily. Those wrinkles must be watched. Another inner layer is added. It must settle evenly. The goal is to avoid weak spots. Balance is everything. During final assembly, both halves must match exactly. That takes deep experience. Even a small shake can matter. Large shells follow strict procedures. The firing system is remote. A receiver links it to the crew. For large public shows and wide viewing areas, remote control adds safety. The outside is wrapped again with protective layers. More layers are not always best. Even quality matters most. That detail is easy to miss. This is the storage area. A wide safety zone surrounds it. The building is part of the safety plan. The air is controlled. Alarms watch temperature changes. People monitor the site day and night. The design reduces outside fire risk. This is the performance site. Steel pipe racks line the area. They help transport and position shells. Remote firing gear is prepared. Emergency support stays nearby. For stage-style fireworks, larger steel tubes are used. If one side tilts, the support reduces collapse risk. These pipes are built for strength. They are thick steel pipes. Launch stability is critical. A poor angle can be dangerous. Shows this large can draw huge crowds. The crowd must feel safe and comfortable enough to stay. Giant fireworks are not one flash. They use careful timing. Placement is planned in advance. The control system follows each cue. When timing is right, the display becomes more beautiful. Other countries have records too. But this is not just about records. It shows discipline and safety culture. Larger shells cost dramatically more. So here's the question. Tell us in the comments.